The problem number 5 involves a quadratic function represented by the quadratic model h of d equal negative 0.2 d squared plus bd, where d is greater than 0 represents the horizontal distance from which the dolphin leaves the water. H is the height of the dolphin above the water and b is constant. Given the information, the dolphin reaches the height of 5.1 meters at horizontal distances of 3 meters and 8.5 meters. If you want to show that on a diagram, so when the height is 5.1 meters, and if it's going to intersect the parabola at 2 points, when d is equal to 3 and when d is equal to 8.5. In part A, we will determine the axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry will occur between these two d values of 3 and 8.5. So we can calculate the axis of symmetry of the parabola. We find the midpoint between the points 3, 5.1, and 8.5 and 5.1. The axis of symmetry is calculated as follows. X is equal to 3 plus 8.5 over 2, that is 11.5 over 2, which is equal to 5.75. So x is equal to 5.75. Next, we need to find the value of b using the given model. We can substitute one of the points into the model. So let's copy down the model. H of d equal to negative 0.2 d squared plus bd. And we're substituting h of 3, and h of 3 is equal to 5.1, and solving for b, we get 2.3. Part C asks for the horizontal distance at which the dolphin re-enters the water, represented by the x-intercepts 8 and 0. So if we want to show that on the diagram, the x-intercepts at this point, the height will be equal to 0. To find this distance, we use our model, setting the height h of t equal to 0 will give us the equation. Let's copy down our model first. So we are setting our h of t equal to 0, and we will factor the model. So d will be equal to 0. The other solution will be using the calculator, and we get 11.5. Therefore, the distance at which the dolphin re-enters the water is d equal 11.5 meter. In part B, we will explain the negative h value. We interpret a negative height value. We can say a negative h value indicates that the dolphin is below the water surface. That wraps up the video. If you have any thoughts or questions, please drop them in the comments below.